आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सॉइल, सॉइल टेक्सचर, सॉइल स्ट्रक्चर, सॉइल डेंसिटी, सॉइल पोरोसिटी, सॉइल कंसिस्टेंस and soil color. Soil texture refers to the relative proportion of sand, silt and clay in a soil. Soil containing equal amount of sand, silt and clay is called a loam. Sand plus clay plus silt is equal to loam. For example, 50% clay, 20% silt and 65% sand is called sandy loam soil. Soil texture size clay, the particle size is 0.002, silt 0.002 to 0.02, sand 0.02 to 0.2, sand coarse 0.2 to 2.0, gravel 2.0 to 5.0, and gravel coarse is 5.0. Soil density. Soil density expressed into two well accepted concepts as bulk density, particle density. Particle density, the weight per unit volume of the solid portion is called particle density. Generally, particle density, if normal soil is 2.65 grams per cubic centimeter, the particle density is higher if large amount of heavy minerals such as magnetite, limonite, and hematite are present in the soil. With increased organic matter of the soil, the particle density decreases. Particle density is also termed as true density. Bulk density, the oven dry weight of unit volume of soil inclusive of pore space is called bulk density. Bulk density of a soil always smaller than the particle density. The bulk density of sandy soil is about 1.6 grams per centimeter cube. Soil, the space occupied by air and water between particles in a given volume of soil are called pore spaces. The percentage of soil volume occupied by pore space or by the interstitial space called porosity of the soil. It depends upon texture, structure, compactness, and organic content of the soil. Porosity of the soil increases with the increase in the percentage of organic matter in the soil. Porosity of soil also decreases as the soil particles become much smaller in their dimension because of decrease in pore space. It also decreases with depth of the soil. The pore space are responsible better plant growth because they contain enough air and moisture. Percentage of soils in soils can be determined by comparing bulk density and particle density and multiplying by 100. Soil consistence. Soil consistence is the resistance of soil deformation or rupture and is determined by the cohesive and adhesive properties of the soil mass. This is term used to designate the manifestation of the cohesive and adhesive properties of soil at various moisture contents. A knowledge of the consistency of the soil is important in tillage, corporations, traffic, and pond constructions. Consistency gives also an indication of the texture. Consistency is decreased for three most levels: water soil, wet soil, moist soil, dry soil. Non sticky, slightly sticky, sticky, very sticky, non plastic, highly slightly plastic, plastic, and very plastic. Loose, very friable, friable, film, very film, extremely firm. Loose, soft, slightly hard, hard, very hard, extremely hard. Soil color. Soil color gives an indication of the various processes going on the soil as well as the type of the minerals in the soil. For example, the red color in the soil is due to the abundance of iron oxide under oxidized conditions, well drainage in the soil. Dark color is generally due to the accumulation of highly decayed organic matter. Yellow color is due to the hydrated ions, oxides, and hydroxide. Black modules are due to the manganese oxides. Mottling or gillaying are associated with the poor drainage and are high water table. Abundant pale yellow mottles coupled with a very high pH and indicative of possible acidic soils. Color of soil matrix and mottles are indicative of the water and drainage conditions in the soil and hence sustainability of the soil for aquaculture. Thank you, students.